Round 5 is underway. Big shout out to Brad Ford, Team Humble. We are heading on 83 south of Junction down to, we're going to go past HEB camp up here in a little bit and then down to Uvalde. So Kirsten and David and Billy are in here with me, and the Suburban is back behind us. Big adventure ahead. We have just arrived in Uvalde at First Baptist Church. Pretty exciting. Just saw a lot of hills for tomorrow and the next week.
Really?
So
I had no idea. We didn't know that.
Yeah. Here we are at the HEB in Uvalde. We've been here before on Brett 2. This is First Baptist Church youth floor in Uvalde. This is where we're camping out on our first night before we hit the road tomorrow. Got a kitchen in here. Kitchen in here. So we're in good shape tonight. Very good shape. We are in Eagle Pass. We were talking to a reporter with the newspaper, and we're about to get started. So we got a cloudy sky and just a light occasional drizzle. That's okay. We are again in Eagle Pass, and we're about to head out on the first. This is the border checkpoint coming out of Eagle Pass. It's 7.5 miles from Eagle Pass where we turned off. So we'll talk to the agents and then go do our first trip. Here we are. Kirsten and I are out on our first leg in our car, and Ryan and Michelle are back there. Again, we've got a nice weather for riding right now. We went through the border check, and the other ones will be leaping up in front of us on the bed. We are about to hit 83, and we found a little thermic Kruger out here. He's come out to deliver cycling clothes. That's a good day. Okay, here we are at La Pryor, Texas, and we've just come up from Eagle Pass, and we are hitting 83. So now we got a lot of 83 ahead of us. So this is Patterson Creek. We are just outside of Lakeview, just in the last couple miles. And there's actually a little bit of water down there. So there's Patterson Creek. And here are two Pattersons. We are in Lakey at the Frio River. And it goes over there. And from what I hear, it is quite Frio.
Nope, not really.
Or at least quite chilly.
No, I think it's flat rock.
Skipping rocks in the
flatter
Frio.
the rock, the easier it is. My dad can skip
Bonk.
one like skips like this. Here's a real good one.
If they ride bikes better than they skip rocks. And more skipping. And we've got best rocks. This is day 2 on the way from Lakey up to Junction. We're almost at the junction of Junction, so we'll stop. But we got 3 ladies looking real good in their cadence right now out on the road. We got a park. So we're getting close, and I think we're gonna have a little picnic down at the river park. Yeah, they're looking good. That's Jessica and Michelle and Kirsten out there. Doing well. Coming into Junction, we're gonna have a little picnic down here at the park. So we were through here not too long ago with Outdoor Leadership. Is that the Llano River? We have Llano Bailey in the car behind us. We are at City Park in Junction, taking a little picnic break and eating sandwiches.
Bean burritos.
And bean burritos and lemon cake. And brownies. And we're still eating lunch.
So good.
Did we just cross over to Llano? Is that the Llano River? Llano Bailey, right there. We're in Junction. We know what's coming. Got a big hill. Not as going to be as big as what we went up earlier today coming out of Lake. Heading to Eden. We are 10 miles outside of Junction, and this is where we stopped when we had our riders on Bright 2 stop and turn around. So it's nice, just as hilly as it was back now. Starting to get hot. Still cloudy, obviously, but sun is starting to boil us. Michelle and Kirsten are rolling into Menard. So we're making progress. We just have 20-some miles up to Eden for the night. Menard, once you get past the slide up here, it's a long uphill getting out of town, so they're going to have a blast. This is the San Saba River in Menard, down here in this grove of trees. Party, party. And the uphill is coming. So immediately after I finished filming that, Kirsten's bottle somehow came off and fell down a drainage hole under this bridge, and then Michelle fell over, and now David's run down there to get it. So a lot of excitement, not caught on film in the last 2 minutes. Alright, we're back on the road. This is the just about the top of the hill in Menard. Maybe there's another one up there. Doing real well. First Baptist Inc. And we made it here for our second day. And we got some wonderful hosts here. And about to have some sandwiches. There's yummy supper.
Dinner time.
Yummy supper. We're at the Garden of Eden in Eden, Texas. And we're going to go wander through it until we get kicked out. Kicked out of the garden. Now we're inside the garden. Wandering around looking at stuff. This is a better sign. Better picture of Eden. Still have some more. It is early in the morning on Sunday. We're leaving Eden, and these fine folks over here are going to head out. So we're supposed to have some winds today, and we want to. This is Sunday morning. We left Eden at 7 a.m. We've already gone through Ballinger. Winters will be up here before too long. Lots of traffic going the other way. We don't have a lot of traffic. So Winters, and then we'll get it pretty early today. It's all right. Road Warriors rolling up from Winters. Winters going to Tuscola up a nice little hill. There we go. That's what we do all day. Person and Michelle are heading up toward Tuscola. It's been a pretty strong wind the whole time. They're doing great. The other crew will be catching up to us soon. Crossing into Taylor County. So, oh wow, another milestone reached. Coming into Tuscola, 10 miles riding in the wind. So they did really well. Was that awesome? That's keyword for yes. Here we are. We've just turned onto 8384 south of Abilene. We've gone through Tuscola. We are at Kirby Lake Park. Getting ready for the final push to campus. And we just got some rain on us for like 2 minutes. But it's not going to rain anymore the whole trip. We are back on campus for our little stop in Abilene. We had some lightning and big raindrops, so we just kind of drove across part of Abilene. We can go pick up it was 5.2 miles. But we are back. We got to clean our chains and go eat.